The SolarBuddy's program is about getting people to create lights that are going to get sent to people in places where they have energy poverty.
We are making solar lights for the people that don't have good electricity or no electricity at all.
TasNetworks' purpose is powering a bright future. As part of our community investment framework, one of our focus areas is clean and affordable energy. This is a great example of having that conversation with kids around renewable energy solutions and how those solutions can help with worldwide social issues.
It was quite easy, but there was some things that were a bit harder, especially the screws, getting them in the right place.
The screw's magnetic, so it's kind of hard to push them in and stuff. You've got to put them in the sun.
And the solar power gathers the energy in the sun and makes it work.
You put them near the sun and next they'll charge.
I think for us it's a really nice way to think about sustainability and equity as well, because our kids here are living, pretty good lives where they do have power. They're not suffering from energy poverty, and also by doing this as well, we get to think about solar power and renewable resources. So it's a really great way for us to have something that is positive for the kids to do that we can relate back to our curriculum and have positive outcomes.